hope you're doing well. So today I have a Jcrew haul for you guys, and I'm so excited to share this with you because Jcrew is probably one of my favorite American stores. However, they are extremely expensive. And basically, if you're a student, you get 10% off even at the outlets, so that's a really good help. But if you are working and stuff, then you know it can be a bit pricey. However, cost per wear and the quality, and only needing like a few pieces from that brand and you can mix really nicely, works effectively. If you go on their website, they have the factory, Jcrew factory, and I most of the time pick up my items from there because there's always an amazing deal going on. They're always slashed by 40–50% anyway, and then there's always additional coupons and additional things that you can get. So I really wanted to share with you some of the items I bought and almost kind of be my summer essentials part 2, because combined, even though we are in September, I live in Louisiana, so it's still 80–90 degrees, and I think it will be like this for the next month or so. If it drops, I still think I'll be able to wear these quite nicely, so it's definitely value for my money to invest in some good pieces. So the first thing, and I do have photos for you, I think I'm wearing pretty much everything. Yeah, I am. So I will insert pictures as well, but do let me know if you'd rather like a real-time sort of like video style of me like posing. I mean, that would be kind of horrific on my end, but I do have still photos too, so I think you get the idea. So the first thing I'm going to mention is this top, and it's very unlike me to get a sleeveless top, but I wanted to try something that kind of looked grandfathery in terms of the collar. And it's quite oversized. Now, I am generally a 0–0 or an extra small to a small in Jcrew. I definitely feel like you have to size down when you're wearing higher waisted items. And then depending on the fit and how you like it, you might have to size up. So if you're my sort of frame, then that's the sort of sizes I would recommend. However, I bought this in an extra small, and the bust is absolutely fine. But I could have technically gone for a small as well. It's quite long. It's got a round like bottom, and it's this sort of really nice khaki, but with a green undertone to it. And I'll leave a link to everything down below. They don't have the prices on them either, but I literally got everything here for like $15, maybe 20 max. There are 2 other items that I'm expecting to come in the mail today. So if I can, I will try and add that clip to the end. If not, you'll definitely see me wear them on Instagram. And this is that's another platform to really see my outfit of the days. So this is one. And I really like this because I definitely will tuck this into black jeans, dark jeans, wear with shorts, what have you. It's nice, and you can wear it with like slim work pants and it be uncollared but, you know, appropriate shirt. It's just one of those nice ones to have for a holiday, and they just fold really nicely and everything. I just need to steam it. So look how small you can fold it and pack it into your suitcase. So I really like that. The next thing I have is this plaid shirt because, well, checkered shirt, not plaid shirt, but you always need one of these. And Jcrew is probably one of the best places, as well as Old Navy, I'd say. But Jcrew, if you really want like a fancy one and like one that will last you a lifetime, I would get from Jcrew, and they're worth the investment because every year they come around. And if you don't want plaid, you can have checkered like what I do, and you can get it in black, but I chose it in navy, just because I wear navy a lot more, and I feel like I can mix and match a little bit better. I put the buttons on wrong, but you get what I mean. What I really like about this one is that it's very thin, so it's really nice to just like tie up from the front or wear open, or just a tank top on underneath, however you want to wear it, and you can layer it too. So it will work really well for multi-purpose use. So if you're in a hotter climate, this is really good. even if you're in a colder climate, you can layer it up and it will be really nice. And again, it's quite long, it's very shirt style, you can even wear it with leggings and whatnot, but I normally use it as a tie. I tie it in the front, and again, you'll see the picture of me wearing it and how I've styled it. So I really like this one. And to kind of go, and this is what I love about Jcrew, is the way they mix their patterns, and they come up with things that I would never have initially thought would go. But I bought this skirt, and I bought this in the 00. So everything for the bottoms, I'm a 00. So if you're a waist sort of from 25 down to 23, that's kind of, I'm like 23 to 25 depending on the brand, you need a 00. And it's this really pretty pleated midi starburst skirt. And what I really like doing with this is pairing this with a denim jacket. It just looks so chic. Or, you know, you could totally be very patriotic and wear red and blue and whatever. But what I really like doing is mixing these patterns. And because they're from the same color family, they still go really well. And, you know, as I said, I've got my pictures that you can see how I styled it. And it was just really fun. And I got lots of compliments on styling it that way. And, you know, even if you had like a lime green, like chartreuse jumper, or a bright pink jumper, or orange, or anything, you could just really brighten this up. Or you can make it like extra fall with like a mustard color and like a vest, you know, like, so it's a really nice skirt, and you can make it definitely much smarter as well and wear it with heels, wedges, trainers, so flip-flops. So I've done it with pretty much all of those, and it's just nice, easy, breathable, and it's got like a nice lining too. It's really, really cool. And I love pairing like that with a denim jacket or a denim vest. It just looks very cute. The other thing that I got was a thicker material, but it's an off the shoulder. This was in the size extra small as well. And I put this on Instagram as part of my outfit of the day, and all of you really liked this on me. And it's like this boat neck, off the shoulder top, and I tuck it in. I'm very much into tucking it in. You don't have to, but I think it looks smarter that way. And it was so comfy. And even though it's a thicker material and everything, I wore it out at night in New Orleans for a night out, and I was completely fine. Like, it felt really great. And I really like the stripes of this. This is also another top from Jcrew that I bought last year, but they always have them. And this is much wider, but I do like the way that this is a thinner version. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. And again, you could put this tucked into a denim skirt. You could wear this with black shorts or colored shorts, like a nice emerald green would look really cute with it, or tuck it into jeans of any color. You know, possibilities are endless. Or even with like a nice sort of like beige linen trouser would look really chic with this. And then this one I had posted on an outfit of the day too. This is a size 0, and this is one of Jcrew's silk shirts, which are probably one of my favorite places to get silk shirts from. I think they are so beautiful, and this is so light and airy, and it's a unique color. It's a really nice like peach apricot-y color. I would say salmon, but because it does look like it has a little bit of a pink undertone to it, but maybe more of an orange sherbet peach. Does that make sense? And it's just got the 2 buttoned front pockets and long sleeves where there's buttons and you can like roll them up. But it's 100% silk, and this was a steal. I think I got this for like $40, and that's super inexpensive for a silk shirt. And then I think I got an additional percentage off, so I think in total I paid $34. And for a 100% silk shirt, it was great. And they had lots of different beautiful colors, but I just wanted something light. You know, I was originally going to go for like a black or like a khaki, and I just thought I never tried these sort of colors, and why not? And I've got this skirt that as I said, I'm waiting for some things in the mail. I'm wondering, it's like a cranberry red, but I think it will go with this very, very nicely. And again, you can tie this up in the front with a knot, or you can tuck it into high-waisted skirts. This is a really good one for me for interviews and for work. Yeah, I love how I have to hold it up like that, like around me. Like I can't just do it this way, which would be much easier. I always have to make things so difficult. But yeah, I love this color. So That's another thing I got. Oh, I love this. This was so Leopard is in again, hallelujah, because we all love Leopard. Do you remember when we were back in YouTube and everything was mint green and Leopard? Well, it's back and I love it. So these are these high-waisted Leopard shorts, and they've got this ruffle waistband, and they're beautiful. They're like linen-y, and then they've got these ruffled pockets, and it's just fun. It's just absolutely fun. And I love pairing this with just a plain black t-shirt, a v-neck t-shirt, and then a pop of bright pink with my silk sandals that I have. And it's just very flattering on. It doesn't have any area for your belt, but as I said, it's high-waisted, so I would size down. And it looks flattering from the back and everything. And again, you can wear this with a denim shirt, would look super chic, like opened or closed. You can wear this with tank tops, any color. Leopard is a neutral. You can just have fun with it, and it's just an easy way to dress up without dressing up. And kind of to go with it, but just in the general like material that I'm obsessed with this summer is linen. This is a collared shirt, and it has like the fold over like sleeves. It's always like sleeveless, and I love this. And then it's got like a sort of bunched bit at the top, and again this is very long and round, and you can tie this again in the front, tuck it in, you know, wear it with the shorts, you know, shorts, what have you, and it's just nice and breathable. And I think for this sort of weather it's great. And then to layer it up and to make it transition into fall, you just wear a really nice cardigan with it. So those are those. And then I got this top, and I thought this was very unique and probably the only like real pattern top I bought. But it's this wrap around, and I just love the colors of this. It's just so fun and bright and summery. And I got this from the petite range, and again, this is an extra small. I didn't realize I did it from the petite range, but because I'm 5'3", it works. But it's this front tie wrap shirt, and then it's got these sort of like 3/4 sleeves, and it's so pretty, and I love it. I just love the colors. And this with high-waisted, light-washed denim jeans looks so cute. And you can dress it up and wear it with black trousers and heels. You can wear it with shorts. It's just a really fun top. Or like if you were going out, you can wear darker jeans with it and it would look chic. Yeah, flip-flops or high-heel pumps or sandals, strappy sandals. It's just really great. And I just, as I said, I love the colors with this in this top, and I like the pattern. It's not too tiring. So that's that. And then the last thing I got was this cover-up, which you don't have to wear as a cover-up. You can wear it as a dress too, which I probably will do. But I really like the fact that it was embroidered. And I got an extra small again. And it's just like one of those basic black straight dresses. And again, it has like the wider sleeves that are like almost 3/4. And it has these front tassels that you can leave open or you can kind of do in a bow. And yeah, it's just to have as a cover up because I didn't have anything to wear with my bikini. I didn't want to just wear shorts and a top. Like this was just easier to throw on. And you could completely belt it up and wear it with like strappy sandals or flip-flops and dress it up. It's one of those really nice ones where, you know, you'll still look dressed up if you're going to have lunch after the beach or swimming pool. And yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice, breathable fabric. It's one of those that will dry really quickly if you make it wet. So, and again, I love Jcrew stuff for like swimwear and just cover-ups. They're timeless. I have stuff from like 10 years ago that I still wear that are not outdated whatsoever. And they're not so, like you can't quite tell like they're from Jcrew, but you can just tell that they're nice. It's a nice brand and nice quality, and you can mix it up so well. So like I mix these up with like my Target stuff, with my Old Navy stuff, with high-end stuff, with not high-end stuff, you know, but just like these few key pieces. If you get like a few nice like things, like like really nice trousers or something and then wear whatever on the top, or vice versa. You can really pull your outfits together. And I think also accessorizing and trying to kind of match or coincide, like if you had like wooden pair of earrings, you know, or like big hoops with the linen, it would look gorgeous. With this top, it would look so going outy. You know, with tassel earrings, this would look totally like beach appropriate, and you can get those from anywhere, but it really makes the outfit. Hey guys, so this is an added clip. Obviously, I've just come back from class and my shipment came through. This is one of the shirts I got. It's called the Bengal sleep shirt, I guess, and I got it in the extra small, and I love this. This is so nice. It's like wearing a pajama, but you can wear it to class. You can tuck it in and make it smarter. Wear it with jeans, a skirt, whatever, or just leave it like hanging low. And it's a nice length to where you could wear it with like leggings or jeans and whatever. But I really like it. It has a very Gucci vibe to it, which I like as well. Obviously because of the print and the animals and stuff. But yeah, and I love that it's not too low cut, and it shows off my jewelry. It's just a very relaxed but smartish shirt. One of their high-waisted pencil skirts. I got this again in the smallest size you can get, and see, like, I've got a gap as well. This is the 00, and this is one of the printed skirts. So I would probably wear this with a silk shirt tucked in for a more professional look, or I'd wear a sort of chambray or denim shirt tied up at the front, or a vest top or a boat neck top, what have you. It's a really nice material, nice and thick, and would look really cute with wedges or flip-flops, or, well, not flip-flops, but like sandals or something. And it fits really lovely, and yeah, it's definitely multi-purpose. And to be honest, you could actually mix these two prints together. That's what I love about Jcrew. They're all about mix and matching, and it just works. And I don't think this is a bad look. And then you could easily wear it with boots in the fall. So these are definitely transitional pieces, but very, very nice to wear in the summer as well. Yeah, I hope I inspired you to like go out and try some new textures and patterns and colors, and let me know if you like shopping at the Jcrew factory outlet online. As I said, I'll leave a link down below for everything that I find at this present time. They are still available. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.